Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to a review video. Um, this is the 2003 and 2008 Hyundai Tiburon CVXO drive shaft for the driver side or left front, I should say. So I'm going to put this on the 2006 Hyundai Tiburon over here, and let's see how will it end up, and let's look at the part as well. That being said, let's start out with a cup of coffee, shall we? All right, let's do this. Okay, let's start by looking at the label first before we open the box. Here is the number right here. You question, it's answer. You said or you ask, is it made in America? No, it's not. It says made in China. The descriptions, as you can see on the label over here, it is ODM, and that's the number right there. That means it's made by the ODM according to the label. But since I bought it from Amazon, it says over here it's a brand Badman. The front left CV axle, drive shaft assembly, driver side fit, auto transmission, manual only, fit 2001 and 2006 Hyundai Elantra, and then automatic transmission. Also, it fits 2003 and 2008 Hyundai Tiburon 4-speed automatic transmission. I don't know who's made by or brand. So since it's coming from Amazon, but long as it will fit my Hyundai Tiburon automatic, I will give it a 5-star on Amazon. Okay, it's open right there. Here's the instruction. Oh man, this instruction, you don't have to know how to read, because this picture over there is like, picture right there, picture right there. It shows you what kind of tool and how you do it. This instruction, I believe it's very helpful for anybody or who non-English speaker, non-Spanish speaker, because I mean, you don't have to know Spanish or English right there. So that's one plus. And the part right here, what the question you're asking right now? Okay, the thing, it's not shining for sure. You can see right there. I mean, it's like dull looking kind of. The boot, it is very high quality. It's very strong, and it's very well fastened right there. It's not just, it's very good. And most question I will ask, or other people ask, how many teeth over here or over there. So I got it written out here. I counted twice. So right there, the outer over there, what the tire, what the wheel, it is 25 teeth over here. And the ABS sensor, as you can see, I got it written down there. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm telling you now, there's 44 at least for the ABS sensor. So there's 44, 25, and the inner, that one goes into the transmission, it is 25 as well. And there is a ring over here. It's not a plastic, it's not a rubber, it's like a spring. So it is good. I'm sure that's how it should look like in there. So one thing left right now is to see will it fit. And the nut over here, it is the 6 point. You will need to use a 32 millimeter. There's a little play, and then the one one and one quarter of force right there. uh, you can use it as well. Over here is little bit less spray, so this should be good. So let's go see if will it fit. Let's raise this bad boy up and let's see it. I hope you see that one coming out. It was hard to focus the camera. All right, here she is. Okay guys, the old one is out. It's side by side right now. I measured already for me not to waste your time. I'm not going to show you how to do it, but I'm just going to explain. So so far as you can see my tape measure, um, the new one is from here right there all the way out to here. It is 25 inches over here, and with the thread over here it is 25, 26, 27 inches long. And the new one is the same thing as well, from here out this way. The only difference is with the original one and the new one, the thread over here is shorter and it's got a cotter pin hole over here on the old one, and the new one it don't have a cotter pin hole over here, which that means if you want to use the old nut, the ground nut, you cannot use it because this one it's a ground nut and you have to put your cotter pin through there or anywhere to lock it down. But it's okay because this nut over here, it's got the uh, thing over it, it's built in. That means after you torque it in or torque it in the spec you want to, and then you just hit it with a chisel and it will stay in there forever. Okay, now let's go back to the other detail. As you saw in the new one before, then it is 25. The gears over here and the old one it's the same thing. It is 25, 25, and out here it is 25 as well. That's the new one, and this is the old one, and it's 25. So far I'm excited. And the ABS sensor gear over here, it is 44, and then this is 44. The only thing left right now is to install and then drive it and see how is it good or not. So far this will fit perfectly. Oh yeah, one more thing, I almost forgot. This over here, it is 40 millimeter. My thing over is not working, but it says over here, hope you can see it right there, it's 40. And same thing with the new one as well, it is 40 millimeter right there. So everything good. All right, it's in there right now. So let's wait maybe 5 or 10 days until I give you the right result, because if I tell you right now and then 2 days later it's gonna be messed up. But let's wait and then give you the correct result. 14 months later since I put that drive axle over there. So today this car is back for brake noise service over there. It's a noisy, so I am happy this thing is back here today, so that drive shaft or axle um, I it wasn't too bad of installing. I mean, nothing perfect. You gotta do the job. So I'm not going to lie to you that, oh yeah, it's super easy. No, I had to work. You had to work when you do something like that. So the result of the drive axle, it's been 14 months now, over a year. So in the beginning, I thought it was making some kind of noise, like when you drive, it's kind of noise. But I didn't have no time to finish this video then. But I did look it up. I installed everything. Everything, it looks good, perfect, like it should. So when the owner come and got the car, I didn't have time to finish this video. Until today, she say it's still working fine, perfect. I say okay. So I believe it is good product. So that means it is good to go. So that means, guys, this travel axle is good enough for the 100 table room. And thank you for watching this video. Thank you for support, sharing, liking, and subscribing to my channel. I will do appreciate that. Once again, guys, thank you very much for your support. And the next video. Bye.